Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Bilt Tb35ec Carburetor is probably one of the most essential components for your string trimmer, ensuring optimal performance and longevity, and today we're diving deep into what makes a great carburetor, why the Bilt Tb35ec stands out, and what you need to know before making your purchase to keep your outdoor power equipment running smoothly and efficiently season after season. Number 5. TB35ec Carburetor for Bilt and Craftsman. This is a direct replacement carburetor designed to fit your Bilt or Craftsman 25cc gas trimmer. It's a perfect match for your existing unit. It replaces several part numbers including 753-06288, 751-15112A, and ZAMA C1U, P27. Ensure a seamless fit for your equipment. This part is compatible with a wide range of Bilt and Craftsman models, including trimmers, leaf blowers, tillers, and pole saws. Get everything you need in one convenient kit. This helps you avoid extra spending and time searching for individual parts. Featuring factory-precise calibration, this carburetor ensures easy startups every time. You can bolt it on and go with confidence. Manufactured using advanced processes and equipment, it's built to maintain the original performance of your equipment. Enjoy reliable operation. What we like. This option is a comprehensive kit, saving you time and money on individual parts. It's designed for easy startups with factory-precise calibration. If you're looking for a hassle-free replacement that maintains original performance, this is a great choice. What people say. Bought this carb with all the extra parts and installed it in less than 7 minutes. It started up no issues. I've had it for a couple weeks now and it still works perfectly. Great carburetor, and it was already set to factory specs. Installed it and it started on the very first pull. This carburetor fit perfectly for my Bilt pole saw. I installed it in less than 30 minutes. The carb didn't need any adjustments. Number 4. HUZTL TB35ec Carburetor Tune-Up Kit. This carburetor is an exact replacement for ZAMA C1U, P27 and MTD part numbers 753-06288, 751-15112A, and 751-15112. It's designed for a perfect fit. It's designed to fit perfectly with MTD Bilt trimmers like the TB35ec and TB430ec, as well as leaf blowers like the TB430 and tillers. You'll find it integrates seamlessly with your equipment. This tune-up kit is also compatible with various Murray and Remington models, including trimmers and leaf blowers. It offers broad applicability for your outdoor power equipment. Experience stable performance and high reliability with this premium carburetor tune-up kit. It features adjustable screws for easy power optimization without a limiter cap. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to fix your machine. You'll receive the carburetor, gaskets, primer bulb, fuel lines, connectors, fuel filter, air filter, spark plug, and an adjustment tool. What we like. This tune-up kit offers an exact direct replacement for many models, ensuring a perfect fit. It also comes with a wide array of useful parts for various applications. If you need a carburetor with adjustable screws for easy power tuning, this is the one for you. What people say. Perfect replacement for my weed eater. Easy assembly, and it started right up and ran great. So, I bought another one for my leaf blower, started right up and runs like it did when it was new. The HUZTL TB35ec Carburetor Tune-Up Kit is designed for a range of outdoor power equipment, providing a comprehensive solution for maintenance and repair. Compatibility. It's compatible with Bilt models such as TB35ec, TB430ec, TB430 and also fits Murray M25B, M2560, MS2550, and Craftsman MTD trimmer and blower parts. Contents. The kit includes 1 carburetor, 2 gaskets, 1 primer bulb, 2 fuel lines, 2 fuel line connectors, 1 fuel filter, 1 air filter, 1 spark plug, and 1 adjustment tool. Direct replacement. The carburetor is a direct replacement for ZAMA C1U, P27 and MTD 753-06288, 751-15112A, 751-151,121. Features. It has an adjustable high-low screw without a limiter cap, allowing for easy power adjustments. Ease of use, designed to fit like a glove, this kit ensures a straightforward installation process. Number 3. Hipa Carburetor for Troy Bilt Trimmers. This is a high-quality replacement carburetor designed to perfectly fit your Troy Bilt, Murray, or Remington equipment. It ensures your engine receives the optimal air-fuel mixture for peak performance. It precisely mixes air and gasoline, ensuring your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. This part is engineered to deliver reliable power for your outdoor tools. This carburetor is a direct replacement for several part numbers, including 753-06288 and 751-15112A. It's designed for a hassle-free installation on compatible string trimmers and leaf blowers. When you purchase this carburetor, you'll receive a comprehensive kit. It includes the carburetor, primer bulb, gasket, O-ring, tube, fuel filter, cleaner, and spark plug for a complete service. To guarantee the best fit, please verify your engine's model and part numbers before ordering. This will help you avoid any issues with returns or exchanges. Restore the power and efficiency of your string trimmer, leaf blower, or tiller with this essential engine component. It's built to last and provide dependable operation. What we like. This carburetor is designed to precisely mix air and gas for optimal engine function. It comes with essential replacement parts to get your equipment running again. If you're a DIYer who likes to be thorough and double-check your engine's model number before ordering, this is a reliable option. What people say. The Hipa 753-06288 carburetor is precisely factory-tuned. The Hipa 753-06288 carburetor was better than OEM. It includes S1 carburetor, 1 primer bulb, 1 gasket, 1 O-ring, 1 tube, 1 fuel filter, 1 cleaner, 1 spark plug. Perfect kit for a DIY. Number 2. 753-06288 TB430 Carburetor. This is a high-quality replacement carburetor designed to fit your Troy Bilt TB35ec and TB430 models. It's also compatible with various other Troy Bilt, Remington, Murray, and Craftsman equipment. This carburetor is widely used for various trimmer and leaf blower models. It's a perfect fit for your Murray M25B, MS2550, and MS2560 trimmers, as well as Remington RM430 leaf blowers. This part directly replaces MTD numbers 753-06288, 751-15112A, 751-15112, and Zama C1U, P27. Ensure a perfect fit for your equipment. The package includes everything you need for installation. You'll receive the carburetor, primer bulbs, gaskets, fuel lines, a fuel filter, and an adjustment tool. We offer a 6-month warranty for your peace of mind. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us via email, and we'll resolve them promptly. What we like. This carburetor boasts wide compatibility across many popular brands and models. It comes with necessary accessories to complete the installation. If you value peace of mind with a 6-month warranty service, this is a solid choice for your repair needs. What people say. Perfect fit. Super easy install. Starts on first pull now. Plus it included the adjustment tool, extra fuel line, bulbs, and fuel filter. Both packages arrived with all the necessary repair items, carburetor, gaskets, fuel lines, choke adjust tool, among other items. Installations were a breeze. Number 1. Carburetor for Craftsman Troy Bilt MTD 25 cubic centimeters 27 cubic centimeters engines. Ensure your outdoor power equipment runs smoothly with this high-quality carburetor. It's designed as a direct replacement for many popular models. This part fits a wide range of Craftsman, Troy Bilt, and MTD engines, including various trimmers and leaf blowers with 25 cubic centimeters and 27 cubic centimeters displacements. Designed to replace OEM numbers like 753-06288 and 751-15112A, it's also compatible with Zama C1U, P27 carburetors. The package comes with everything you need for installation, including primer bulbs, gaskets, fuel lines, a fuel filter, and an adjustment tool. Don't let a faulty carburetor slow you down. This replacement will help restore your engine's optimal performance and power. Before purchasing, please verify your specific engine model and compare it with our provided images and compatibility list to ensure a perfect fit. What we like. This option is a direct replacement for several OEM part numbers, simplifying your search. It conveniently includes a spark plug in the package. If you prefer to visually compare your existing part with clear images before making a purchase, this is a user-friendly selection. What people say. Engine performance dramatically increased. Basically, I was able to start it and keep it running. This carburetor bolted on in a matter of minutes, and after priming it started on the second pull with no adjustments. Item fit: the Craftsman 25 cubic centimeters blower grate. Install was roughly 20 minutes. Finally started and ran very well. In all, I recommend this to you for its ease of installation. Works as described. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.